Hi, my name is Jenny, and I'll be the host for this Kubernetes 135 release team burndown meeting. Today is December 12th, 2025, and we are in week 13 of the 135 release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful that what you say is being recorded. All right. Starting in open discussions. Is there anything here that people want to bring up? Okay, if not, we can move on to the subteam updates, starting with enhancements.
Hi everyone, Subhashmita here. Current update is we are green and there's nothing much to update up except this. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Does anybody have any questions for enhancements? No? Okay, moving on to release signal.
Hello team, Prajit here from the Release Signal team. So currently we had two failures, one on the master blocking kind IP V6 master. So on this one, we are still awaiting for the clear signal from the SIG node team. And the other one on the informing one, so there was already a duplicate issue for that and it has been confirmed as a non-blocker. Yeah. So current status is yellow right now.
Okay, thank you. Any questions for release signal? All right, next is docs.
Hi, I can give update for docs. We ran into some hiccups with 135 RC1 uh, uh, release notes PR, where Krell had some issues. We had to add all the changes manually to the PR. They have now been added, and the PR is ready for review. Uh, and the weekly sync PR has been created, and it's waiting for review. Because of the hiccups with RC1, the status is yellow. We should be able to merge the PR soon and improve the status there.
Okay, great. Sounds good. Any questions for docs?
Something I was curious about, do we know that we had some of the same issues with RC, the first RC 0?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Thanks so much for adding those manually. I know that that could be a little tedious, so I really appreciate that y'all did that.
Yeah, no worries. I think we've ran into this in previous releases as well. I think Cyan here did some amazing troubleshooting there, and we have an issue open for it now. But we will probably run into this until fixed with the next RC ones as well.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, we probably want to add like an action item for someone to pick up try to fix this before the next release, so we don't keep running into it.
Yeah, Vyam made a issue. I'll share that with the team after this meeting. But yeah, it sounds like we have a root cause analyzed as well, so we'll just need implementation.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, moving on to comms.
Hi, this is Roger from Comms team. So we have 13 PRs for feature blocks, out of which 8 have been merged as a draft and 5 are currently under review. And we are planning to set up a schedule for them by the end of this week. Then we have the draft PR for release announcement blog post, which is open for review. And again, we are planning to merge it as a draft by the end of this week. Last, we have done communication with the CNCF for the webinar, and they will let us know if something is needed. So our current status is green.
Okay, great. Any questions for comms? Okay, thank you. Moving on to release branch management. There's no status here. Does anybody have an update from them?
Yeah, it looks like they have they've started to prepare on release day activities. Angelos put up a code thaw PR ahead of time and put a hold on it. Um, so yeah, we're starting to burn down there.
Okay, cool. Any questions for release branch management? All right. Subproject lead, I don't think there's any update here. Anything to add here or any questions? Okay, moving on to release lead.
Yeah, so I sent an email out with the logo for release gifts and excited to share that with y'all. We each will get a free t-shirt and I think I'll try to request some stickers too. So I also created some new Slack emojis just to kind of have fun with. Adding the Timbernettes logo, the world tree, and then also if you type Timber, there's Timber Dash. There's a bunch of like emojis like with the squirrels doing things. So like having a looks good to me sign and giving like different signals with the lantern, fun things like that. So starting to prepare for press interviews next week and then all of the release day tasks. So I'm kind of going down the list, but I might be reaching out to your sub teams to check in and see where we're at. So yeah, final days here and really appreciate all of your hard work. Yeah, it will be coming to fruition soon.
Really exciting. The new logo looks great. Um, Thanks. Any questions for the release lead? Okay, I think that's the end of the subteam updates. Before I stop the recording, is there anything that people want to discuss on the record? Okay, so to those watching on YouTube, thank you. I'm gonna stop the recording now.